What's going on? I want to send this link out. Then we'll go ahead and get started. What's going on, yo? What's going on? Oh, let me have this. My screen look all naked and stuff. All right. Going to wait a couple minutes and we'll start breaking some stuff down. But you already know the drill. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we're looking at the chart, drop in the chat. Had Australian news pop off last night. I'm going to go over that in a little bit as well. And then later on today, we got USD news at 8:30. Going to be going live with the members during that. And then when markets reopen later on tonight, we got Australian news again. Then looking at tomorrow, we have 8:30 USD news. And that's pretty much the rest of the high impact news for the week. As far as what we're looking at right now, we're looking at possible gold buys, as well as continued GN and GA sales, and we're going to be looking for GJ buys too as well. And of course, NAS buys. Going to be having some, the Bitcoin video is going to be posted today. I was talking about yesterday, the Wi-Fi is so garbage. Like, by the time it finally buffered and uploaded to my YouTube, it was like way later in the day than I wanted. So it's going to be posted today. And I have a video also lined up after that one, breaking down this NAS and BN trade. Because I think I need to add another level. Let me do that really quick. Oh no, there's nothing I can add. That's all we got to work with. Just gonna put a stop loss right there. Right there. I got goals looking right here, so I'm not really a trade idea for this. It's in the middle of possibly making a higher high here. If we can continue to hold 23.57, 23.58 as support, we can look for buys going to 23.72 and possibly all the way back up to 23.95. That's what we're looking for today. You see price right now, and last night is broken this level as being respected as support. But when the London sessions candlestick opened up, you see price pushing up. So we're going to see how this looks right here. I'm liking this first setup. And I'm looking for another possible sell setup on GN. Now, if y'all watched the Sunday chart analysis, I forgot to put the thing up. Hold on 1 second. Oh, it's on the other side. Okay, cool. You watched the Sunday chart analysis that dropped earlier this week. A lot of stuff starting to go as projected, so make sure to check that out as well. We're about to see what this next 5 and 15 looks like. What's going on? What's going on? Got a new 15 about to pop up in a little bit. Let me pull up. See what's going on there. Oops. I don't know why trading has been bugging out lately. All right, new 15 just popped. Those just joined the stream. We haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we get any charts, drop them in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Those just joining the stream, we haven't entered anything since the live start. These just trade ideas right here. Well, as far as this one, we broke this down during yesterday's London session live. Y'all missed yesterday's live. I recommend watching it again. You don't have to watch the whole thing, but we did go over a lot of things in there, so I'd recommend watching that. But we was talking about how GN was going to do the move that it did, but also breaking down the loss we took on Monday. Well, one of the losses we took on Monday, and how we could see it doing the move that we was looking for when the volume kicked in yesterday, which it did. It did the move literally as soon as we ended the live yesterday, as well as it did it again last night, as we see. And it was also talking about the NAS trade. Also broke this down with the members. We went for this buy, lack of volume. And guess what? Yesterday it did the move we was looking for. So now we're going to be looking for continued buys on NAS, continued sells on GN. And we're also going to be looking at GU for some buy side market. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we're getting charge up in the chat. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram's playmaker_way, TikTok's _playmakerway_. New 5 minute just popped up. So let's see the GJ can hold this level. Yeah, it's been slowly pushing back up after it did that huge reversal after it broke this consolidation of like a month. We're right back where we left off. Again, if you've been watching the lives, I was telling you we still had bullish momentum. It just was taking a little while. And again, y'all was here last week. The monthly candlestick was all the way down here. You see his wick. So he did that retracement. Is wicking all the way back up. About to continue the uptrend move on the monthly time frame. So as far as what we're looking at today, if GJ can continue to hold 196.65 as support, we can look for buys going to 197.90 and then possibly 199.25. That's what we're looking at on GJ. Let's see what this next 15 looks like. Turn this off. Gold started to push it literally as soon as London session started. If it retraces a little bit, I'll pull the trigger on that one. Then with GM, we're waiting to see if it can hold this level at 770 as resistance. If it can, we can look for continued sales going to 705. Again, we have some USD news popping up at the beginning of New York session. We'll be going live with the members during that. We got news at 8:30 for the USD pairs. Last night we had Australian news. And again, if you watch my video on my playlist on how to trade news, or you was watching the charts, again, we was talking about bearish momentum. And what happened during the Australian news, same thing that happened with the USD news yesterday. Price got pushed down. Just again, couldn't hold the level. But then when the 9:30 news for Australia popped off, did the same thing, just not as a big as a push down, but it stayed here. Wicks pushed down, and after the news, price pushed all the way back down where it left off yesterday. So now we're going to see if it can break and hold 89.30 as a resistance. And if it can do that, we can look for sales going down to 88.85 and possibly 88.30. So we got a few potential setups today. We're going to watch, see if this can hold as support. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're looking at charts up in the chat. Let me see what's going on with this.
There's nothing more powerful
We're not listening. There we go. I've been hearing from other people, as well as other people that like stream and stuff, that it's just the Wi-Fi signal's been bugging out. So that's just like a countrywide thing. Let me know in the chat if y'all signal, whether that's Wi-Fi or phones been bugging out. Cause I've been hearing that a lot, mainly from like people that be streaming and stuff. So I thought I was tripping, but I've been hearing that from a lot of different people. Make sure to like the live while you're in here too. And while we're waiting, go ahead and explore the channel. Y'all know how YouTube works. We don't just live stream. We got a bunch of trade breakdowns, trading tip videos, trading plan videos, all types of stuff. Also, make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. What's going on, Tracy? I see you up in here. How you doing, man? Like I said, members are going to be going live at 8:30 during the USD news. We got USD news at 8:30. That's pretty much it for New York session. And then later on, when markets reopen tonight, we got Australian news again. Make sure to check out the first in the description. Watch the Sunday chart analysis. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You'll see that scrolling at the bottom of your screen. New videos dropping today. It's already scheduled, so it's going to be posted and uploaded in New York during New York session. You guys want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. Respond to all messages. Make sure to check out the playlist. All the playlists are up to date, and we're going to be back at the same time tomorrow, London session 3 a.m. EST.